What if I told you that buy now, pay later services you've been using for years are now silently reporting to credit bureaus? And depending on how you use them, they could be adding 50 points to your credit score or dragging it down by 100. The rules changed in 2025, and by 2026, your BNPL habits are officially part of your financial fingerprint. Here's the reality check. According to a Consumer Affairs article from April 8, 2026, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's 2025 rule change means BNPL providers like Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm now report your payment behavior to all three major credit bureaus. This isn't optional anymore. It's mandatory under the new regulations. But here's where it gets interesting. This data feeds into the newest credit scoring models, FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0. These models treat BNPL differently than traditional credit cards. They look at your payment history, but also at your utilization across all BNPL accounts. So one late payment on a $30 shirt could hurt you just as much as missing a credit card bill. Let me show you how this works in practice. Meet Sarah. She uses BNPL for 3 small purchases per month, always pays on time, and keeps her total BNPL balance under $200. For Sarah, BNPL is actually helping her score because it shows consistent, responsible payment behavior without high utilization. Now meet Mike. He has 8 different BNPL plans running simultaneously, totaling over $2,000. He missed one payment last month because he lost track. For Mike, BNPL is crushing his score because high utilization combined with a late payment creates a double whammy in the new scoring models. So here's your 2026 BNPL strategy. First, never have more than 3 active BNPL plans at once. Second, keep your total BNPL balance below 5% of your total available credit. Third, set up automatic payments for every single BNPL account, no exceptions. But wait, there's a hidden benefit most people don't know about. If you have a thin credit file with less than 3 accounts, adding a well-managed BNPL account can actually help you establish credit history faster. The new scoring models recognize this as positive credit building behavior. The bottom line? BNPL in 2026 is neither inherently good nor bad for your credit score. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can build or destroy depending on how you use it. The companies aren't required to tell you they're reporting, so the responsibility is now on you to manage these accounts like the credit products they've become. Before you make another BNPL purchase this week, ask yourself, is this purchase worth potentially affecting my credit score for the next 2 years? Because that's the reality under the new 2026 reporting rules. Your small split payment decisions now have long-term financial consequences. So I want to hear from you. Have you noticed any changes to your credit score since BNPL started reporting? Drop a comment below telling me whether your score went up, down, or stayed the same. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because we're unlocking credit secrets every single week.